Hi ladies, it's Roxanne, and we just got home from lunch, and I caught the mailman just in time, and we're gonna show you what's in our fabulous box. We're so excited. Okay, this big box, it should be my welcome kit. It's called a welcome kit that only presenters like me were able to purchase. Wait till you see all of this in here. Okay, Grace is going to help me take out all this bubble wrap. Be careful with it. Okay, let's get all the bubble wrap out. Okay, we don't want to miss anything.
Look at this.
What's that? Ooh, catalogs. I need those. My pretty tissue paper.
Yeah.
Okay, Grace has the catalogs. Show them this.
Okay.
Got some bronzer. Cool. What else, Grace?
Maybe.
We have, ooh, some lip stain. Got eyebrow, no wait, this is, ooh, eyeliner. We got a mineral pigment. This one is sexy color. Ooh, that's nice. Another sexy. This is the most popular color. Okay. This tiny little cute package. We'll have to open that. So what's this, Grace? Mascara. Ooh, and this is what I've been waiting for. Check this out, ladies. Grace, you can open that little package while we wait.
No.
Okay. Okay. Try to get this bag out. Here, hold the camera first.
Okay.
Hold it towards me. You see me in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, nice bag. Holy moly. Oh, it has... Oh, wow. Okay, show me. Look at
This is
bag for me and only me. I love it so much.
wow. That's
And it
pretty.
has clear pockets that I get to carry around as my new purse. Okay.
Cute.
So I was really excited about that. Here, lift the camera up, Grace. Okay,
Whoa.
and then what's in this little...
No! No!
Here, show the ladies.
Open it.
Show the ladies.
Okay.
Ooh, little lip gloss samples. If anyone needs a lip gloss sample, let me know. I have something to send you. Looks like pretty colors. This one looks like the Luxe. This is the most popular color. It's Luxe. It's a nude. Why isn't it focusing? Cute little containers. This one is Lovesick. Look how pretty that is. And this one, Lovable. It's pink. Grace, your favorite one, pink.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for now. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye, ladies.
I'll put this on. Bye, ladies. I'll put this on.